I made this small corner garden last year and look at that, look at that, look at the bad weed. I'm sick of cleaning it. So it's time to change it and I made a new design. The worst work is to take everything out because the weed barrier didn't work. And then we have the clean sand again. And I'm gonna use this plastic sheeting husky from Walmart. And I folded 3 times. I don't want to see weed barrier again. And now I'm gonna start putting some of the stuff that I already have there. I'm gonna work by sections and I'm gonna use some of the rocks that I already have. First, I'm gonna do a path from the water drain. I'm gonna use big river rocks to make a path from this pot that I put right there in the corner. I got this gray drain fill rocks from Lowe's and I'm just gonna put it from one path crossing the other path to fill all that space. These are medium beige rocks that I take from another space and I'm gonna use it right here to complete the path that I did. Now I'm gonna try to make the shape of a butterfly with big white rocks that I buy at Lowe's. And now I'm gonna make a flower using the same rocks that I purchased at Lowe's. I'm gonna use tiny beige crystals from Dollar Tree to fill out the shape of the butterfly. Each time that I complete a section with rocks, I also arrange some pots, plants, and decorations. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. It's free and you make me so happy. Grab these solar lights at Dollar Tree and I'm going to paste summer stickers also from Dollar Tree because it reflects beautiful through the lights.